friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn a lemon pickle recipe, that is a spicy lemon pickle recipe. In India, a large variety of pickles are prepared, where lemon pickle is one of the most popular pickles. There are many varieties and methods of preparing the lemon pickle. It basically depends on the spices that are used. In South India, the pickles are mostly spicy, hot, sour and salty, and the same in few states of northern India like the Gujarat. The pickles are sweet, salty and easy to make, and it takes a few spices. Now we will see ingredients required for this pickle. We need lemons 20, chili powder half cup, salt 1/4 cup, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, hing half tablespoon, and fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon. And for seasoning we need hing 2 pinches, mustard seeds half spoon, red chilies 2, gingerly oil 1/4 cup. Now we'll see directions to prepare. Take lemons and wash them well. And then wipe them dry with a paper towel or a cloth. Now take 15 lemons and cut them into halves. Then quarter. Then cut each quarter into half. Add this to a bowl. Now take the remaining 5 lemons and juice them. Add the juice to the bowl and add the peels as well. And then add the lemon juice without seeds. Now add in salt, turmeric powder, and then mix well. You can store this in airtight container and use it to prepare pickle whenever you want. This is one process which we follow, or else you can add chili powder immediately and mix well. Add hing here, or else you can add while in seasoning. I prefer adding in seasoning only. And now take fenugreek seeds in a dry pan and roast them well. And now take them in a blender and powder them. Add this powder to the pickle. Aroma should come out of this mustard seeds while you roasting them. You have to thoroughly roast them well in simmer flame, and now mix well. Now in tawa, heat oil and add mustard seeds. When crackling mustard seeds, add hing and red chilies. Now pour this to lemon pickle and mix well, and then now transfer this to a clean, dry, airtight glass jar. And set them in a dry place for 4 days. And store pickles in fridge for safety purpose. It is not compulsory. And use a dry spoon always when taking the pickle, and avoid moisture and wet spoons and jars. So this cause fungus to form on the pickle, and this pickle can be stored for 6 months. Let it marinate for 10 days before consuming. One of the wonderful pickles, and it has natural citric acid, so very healthy. Tangy and spicy lemon pickle. Try it and enjoy. The authentic lemon pickle is one of the spicy, tangy pickles that are usually served with curd rice in South India. If you love eating pickles, then you can enjoy eating them with dosa, chapati or plain rice. Lemon pickle is particularly good because it is tangy and hot at the same time. And it also tastes good with dal, rasam and sambar. Kids love it because of this tangy taste. So try it, and I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.